Hi, it's Simon here, DJ Demon D from Precision Piezo. We're here to show you how to tune the Precision Piezo Orion module. So here we have the Orion module, and this is a beta unit that we're currently testing, but it's currently mounted in the printer. We have it connected with our end-stop cable to our 3D printer controller board. The order of the cables, as you can see, is clearly marked on the unit. We have positive, negative, and then signal red, black and green in that order. Your 3D printer controller needs to be configured to accept an active low, although sometimes called normally closed, sensor input. So have a look at your firmware's documentation and set your system up accordingly. You will find once you've got the module mounted that below the module there is one small potentiometer, which is here. Now if you have the blue LED on when you first switch your module on, you need to turn the potentiometer anti-clockwise as you view it from below until the red LED comes on. Now that you have the red LED on, if you gently give the unit a tap, you will see that the red LED goes off and effectively triggers when you tap the hot end. Now the point at which the LEDs change from blue to red, if I just go back the other way, okay, so that's the blue LED there. If we now just turn it a tiny fraction more, the point at which it just changes is the most sensitive point. You can see that very light taps will trigger it there. Okay. In most cases that's the position where you would want to set it, but if you're finding it slightly too sensitive, and please bear in mind that we're only referring to too sensitive during an actual probing move. If you are seeing triggers during printing or travel moves, it does not matter, because the printer is not looking for a probe trigger during printing or travel moves. It's only looking for a probe trigger during probing. But if you want it to be slightly less sensitive, then take your screwdriver and just turn a little way anti-clockwise when viewed from below past that point, and that will just reduce the sensitivity down very slightly. Okay, hope this helps.